Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to upload images to Canva using the latest 2026 version on a PC or laptop. Uploading your own photos allows you to create personalized designs for presentations, social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, flyers, and much more. First, open your web browser and go to *Canva, com***. Sign in to your Canva account, then open an existing design or click Create a Design * to start a new project. Once your design is open, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Uploads ***. In the Uploads panel, click the **upload files ** button. A File Explorer window will open on your computer. Browse to the folder where your images are saved, select one or multiple images, and click **open***. Canva will begin uploading your selected files. The upload usually takes only a few seconds, depending on the image size and your internet speed. After the upload is complete, your images will appear in the *uploads * section. To add one to your design, simply click on it or drag and drop it onto the canvas. Once the image is on the canvas, you can resize it by dragging the corner handles, move it to any position, rotate it, crop it, or apply filters and other editing tools using the toolbar at the top. If you accidentally upload the wrong image, you can right-click it in the *uploads * panel and choose the available option to remove it from your uploads if needed. When you've finished designing, click the ** share * button in the top right corner, then choose Download *. Select your preferred file format, such as PNG, JPG, or PDF, and save your completed design to your computer. And that's it. That's how to upload images to Canva using the latest 2026 version on a PC or laptop. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.